Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So today, really quickly, while my baby is sleeping, don't want to jinx it, but I'm gonna make Brussels sprouts. Now, Brussels sprout is really healthy, it's really good for you, but it's gross, it's got that bitter taste. My husband really likes eating them, and the way he makes them, it's boiled, so it makes it even worse. So keep watching. If you don't like Brussels sprouts, maybe this is different way of cooking it and you might like it. If you love Brussels sprouts, keep watching because you might like it this way also. So after I wash the Brussels sprouts, I like to cut them in half. It helps with the cooking time and easier to eat. So I'm just heating up the pan now. Just finishing up the bottle of my Gallo olive oil. But you can use whichever brands that you prefer or you have in your area. So once the pan is hot, I like to place them face down first, all over the pan. So just before you flip the Brussels sprouts over, pour some more of the olive oil, especially if the pan is looking dry. And use your judgment, add more if you need to. So now we can add the garlic and we can mix it a little bit. And for the final touches, the balsamic vinegar. In this case, I've put about 3 to 4 teaspoons. And that's it. It's nice, super fast and easy, and I hope that you like the taste. Thanks for watching.